नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश माई सेल्फ राम कुमार, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फार्माकोग्नोसी, फैकल्टी ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Nowadays, we are discuss plant growth inhibitors. In previous session, we are discussed the plant growth hormones. In which plant growth hormone we are discussed plant growth promoter. Mainly plant growth promoter is three types of hormone: auxin, gibberellin, and cytokinin. And now today we are discuss two type of plant growth inhibitors: abscisic acid and ethylene. So first of all we are discuss abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is mainly first growth was identified by Bennett, Clark, and Cafford from dormant potato tuber and called it inhibitor B. In second, Endicott and Okuma obtain a growth inhibitor from mature cotton fruit. Name it Abscine second. Third, Waring and Robinson isolated a growth inhibitor from old betula leaves and named it Dormine. Thus, three independent researchers reported three kinds of growth inhibitors. First, inhibitor B, second, abscine second, and third, Dormine. All of these were found to be chemically similar and named as abscisic acid. These abscisic acid is also synthesized by oxidation of carotenes. The abscisic acid is a short form ABA. ABA is also known as stress hormone because it protects plants from adverse conditions like water stress. ABA increases tolerance of plants to various type of stress. It was discovered for its role in regulating abscission and dormancy. This is the discovery and isolation of abscisic acid. Mainly abscisic acid chemical formula is C15H20O4. Now, physiological effect of and application of abscisic acid. First, induced abscission. ABA causes aging and abscission of leaves and fruits. Second, induced bud and seed dormancy. ABA regulate bud and seed dormancy. ABA play a major role in seed maturity, enabling seeds to become dormant. Third, induced sensation. ABA accelerated senescence of leaves. Next, inhibition of cell division and cell elongation. Next, stomatal closing. ABA causes the stomatal closing under conditions of intense solar radiations and water stress conditions. This is also called anti-transparent. Next, it play an important role in seed development and induce seed dormancy. Next, physiological and applications. ABA stimulate the formulation of abscission of leaves for flower and fruits. Next, seeds are treated with ABA to remain dormant during storage. So this is called discuss abscisic acid. Now second inhibitor hormone is ethylene. Ethylene is a chemical formula C2H4. Discovery. Mainly ethylene HH Cogent scientists confirmed that ripe orange release a volatile substance that hinted the ripening of the stored bananas. Later, these volatile substance was identified as ethylene. Now, isolation of ethylene. Ethylene is synthesized in large quantity by the tissues of ripening fruits and sensing or orange organs. Ethylene is also formed in root in waterlogged condition. Physiological effect of ethylene: post harvest ripening of fruits, citrus, orange, banana, apple, tomato are ripe with ethanophone and CEPA, chloroethylene phosphoric acid (CEPA) at commercial level. Ethanophone is the compound used to supply ethylene. It is an aqueous solution that is readily observed and transported within the plant, and it releases ethylene slowly. Next, ethylene enhances the rate of respiration during ripening of the fruits. Next, physiological effect: stimulation of senses and absorption of leaf. Ethylene is synthesized in large quantity by ripening fruits and sensory organs. The triple response is STEM. Ethylene have triple response in stem: apical hook formation in dicot seedling, stimulation of radial swelling of stem and horizontal growth of stem. 4. Root growth. It promotes root growth and root hair formation, thereby increase the absorptive area. Next, it promotes rapid elongation of internode and petioles of deep water rice plant and help the leaves to be above water level. It it hastens fruits ripening. Next, it accelerated absorption of flowers and fruit in cotton, cherry, or walnut, etc. Next, it promotes the production of female flower on a monoecious plants and also on genetically male plants. Thus, it increases productivity. It is used to initiate flowering and for synchronizing fruit set in pineapple. It also induces flowering in or mango. Next, it breaks seed and bud dormancy and initiate germination in peanut seed and sprouting of potato tuber. Thank you. This is complete the plant growth and hormones. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will solve it. Thanks.